Hey, great job on your talk.
Thank you very much.
I hear it's your first one. Very nice.
Yes, it is. It is my first talk in a conference, and I'm really happy to be here.
I have to say, you got it. You had a really hard first time because speaking in front of an audience versus recording, recording is very hard work. It's a lot of hours put into it, and I know we kind of discussed a little bit about how much time you put into this, and
Yeah.
thanks.
Yeah. It's. I mean, I try to re-record this to make it a little bit more compact, but I failed miserably doing so.
No, I have to say your slides look really nice, like very professionally done.
Oh, thank you. Well, I'm a professional, so at least coder. So
yeah, I think I definitely spend way more time doing recorded talks.
okay.
Let's see. If anybody has questions, feel free to add them to the chat. But other than that, how about I start asking you some fun questions?
Do that.
So tell us, have you picked up any new hobbies or games, movies during the pandemic?
Oh, I bought a PlayStation,
Ooh.
which I don't use that often, like not even like once a week. It's not that interesting as I thought. But oh yes, I bought a one wheel, you know.
What?
A one wheel. It's like a skateboard with only one wheel. Hold on, I have it here.
Oh my gosh, please show us. Yes.
Here.
Oh, wow. Cool. Very cool. How stable is this?
Well, the first week it was a little bit challenging, but the board does a lot of the heavy lifting, so it helps you. So that's one hobby that I picked up, riding on that thing.
That is very cool. Definitely very unique.
Yeah, people always turn around when I drive it in the city. Oh, there's a question.
There you go.
Would there be a use case to use Proxy and Reflect in Vue.js project? I don't entirely understand the question because Vue uses it behind the scenes already if you're using Vue 3. I'm sorry, Stephen. I don't know what you mean.
Yeah, Stephen, if you could reword it, but I think you have maybe, not another question, but.
Sergey.
Yeah.
Try to recreate Vue 3. Following Evan's explanations, the hardest part for me was to get my head around. Yes, activeEffect. Yes, I agree. When he was doing the activeEffect part with the watcher, I was also like, what? How do? Why? But then, yeah, it's just there, so it records the values that you need inside of the watcher, and then that you have it well ready when you execute it. So okay, yeah. I wish I had a little bit more time for the demo because there was a little bit more stuff I could have gone through. Especially like now it's like a super simple version where when one variable updates anywhere, everything else updates as well, or gets triggered as well. And this is where we're missing depth map and target map. But in the link marc.dev/Vue.js, how do you call it? The little hyphen, marc.dev/Vue.js hyphen global. There is the code that I wrote in the demo, and there is an entirely written out version of it with the ref as well, and with the computer property, and also with that works with depth map and target map. So if someone is interested in that, it's going to be in the, it's a gist link. Oh, I think I understand Steven's question about the proxies. I think Steven, you're right if I'm misinterpreting this, but you're looking for other reasons to use proxy inside of a Vue project unrelated to reactivity. Yeah, okay. Well, you would, that's actually a good question. You could use it to override other things. Like you can override whatever you want inside of a proxy. Of course. Yeah, it has a lot of, it has different traps and just together and setter. Delete property, I think, and well, it's the whole documentation in MDN. But yeah, like there is a use for it. I suppose I just can't come up with an example. You can use it and just override other traps. Just here we use the proxies and reflect in order to get the reactivity done, but you still can use it in other parts of the app.
So I know a lot of people on the chat were saying how they really enjoyed your slides. Are you going to be sharing them out?
I can do that. I think I might just add another gist file in the link I set there with where you can download it. I still don't know where I'm going to put it, maybe Google Drive or something, but later today or tomorrow I'm going to upload the slides as well. Just they have a lot of animations, so it's going to be a little bit different, but for the main part, yeah, sure, I can share them.
Perfect. You have another question about GitHub examples.
Oh, do you have some GitHub with live? Easiest. No, I don't have a Git repo for like examples you mentioned, but that's actually a good idea. I can make some like where it's like really easy, like this one, and then a little bit more complicated. That's actually a good idea. Yeah, I will. If I do that in the future, I will publish this on Twitter, where I usually announce my new stuff that I make. So yeah, just follow me there. And
yeah. You want to share your handle?
Oh yeah, that's true. I can write it here. Hold on. The Marc BA.
Perfect. Yeah, I love it when you get homework out of a conference. It's like a whole new project.
Yeah, it's I would have to make the videos around them and then publish it, because if not, it's a little bit out of context. Mm-hmm. So I would probably make a little YouTube series around it, which is nice because I have a YouTube channel with like 2 videos, and and I'm looking for new content. So thank you, Luis, for suggesting this. This is something I could do.
Hey, nice job, Luis. Now you're going to get like a whole series for your question. Keep asking more.
I will have to quit my job.
Hey, maybe this could be your new job, you know?
Well, I am as a freelancer, so I don't really have an employer. I just have my clients.
Yeah. Hey, with that said, if anybody's looking for anybody to help out, seems like Marc's your guy.
Yeah, if someone needs some Vue.js, Node.js, MongoDB services. I don't have that much time open until January, but I'm usually open to see offers.
Perfect. All
Any
right.
more
Does
fun
anybody?
questions?
Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's see. I have a little list of fun questions for you.
Bring it on.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Once the pandemic is over, what is the first place you want to go visit?
I will visit Mexico.
Oh, like what kind of Mexico? Like describe this perfect vacation.
Oh, okay. I have it. Like, well, my wife, she's Mexican, so we
Oh,
visit her parents. But like the best vacation there is a little bit cliche, but in Cancun, they have like these amazing resorts in Cancun where you just can let yourself just be, just lay on the beach or on the
nice.
on the pool side, and the waiter is like, oh, can I bring you some more beer, can I bring you some more micheladas, and you're just like, oh yeah, like bring another one, and just keep it coming. You can go in the pool, go in the ocean, have amazing breakfast buffets, and yeah, just like do nothing basically.
Yeah, you just kind of lay down and get fat, and it's great.
Yeah, like now in the pandemic, I couldn't go anywhere. So what did I do? I just worked. So
Mhm.
yeah, it's taking a toll earlier or later eventually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't wait to travel. Let's see. Any new? Oh, let's see. Do you watch anime? Any new anime you recommend?
No, I don't watch anime. I watch a lot of series though. I'm currently watching Blacklist.
Oh yeah,
Super recommendable. It gets better by the season, not worse. So just
those are rare.
yeah, they have like 7 seasons, so and it's like those kind of 45 minutes episodes, and you have a bunch of material if you're looking for something new. Other than that, I usually watch like Flash, Arrow,
Hmm.
no, Supergirl, not that much because I kind of thought the first season was a downer, but
Yeah, yeah. I just rewatched the Joker, and I thought it was very good. And then there's like a whole Harley Quinn cartoon series on Netflix that is
oh,
really
okay.
good if you're into that kind of like superhero stuff.
Oh, cool. I will check it out. Oh, I like the movie Birds of Prey.
Yeah. Yeah, the cartoon kind of follows that where it's like it's definitely like an adult cartoon because it's kind of dark, you know?
Yeah.
Um,
Oh
it's
yes,
very gory.
I love the colors in that movie. Like it's
Hmm.
really, and they had a perfect actress for.
Yes.
Oh man, how was she called? Quinn. Yeah,
Yeah, Harley Quinn, yeah.
Harley Quinn. Oh my god, you see, I need vacation.
It's really good. You should check it out. Everybody check out the cartoon.
Yeah.
um, but anyway, if nobody has any more questions, let's see, we could close out this room or we could keep chatting. Up to you, but up to you.
I
I
could
have
keep
a more.
chatting, but you probably have to get back to your main stage.
Let's see. I think we have a couple more minutes. Let me just check the calendar. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. So 36, I think we have time. Okay, let's do another. Let's keep chatting.
All
Let's
right.
see. Any Oh yeah, I like this one. What's a fun fact about you that we wouldn't otherwise know?
A fun fact. Oh yeah. A couple of years ago, like
Yeah, there you
maybe
go.
like
Somewhere.
6, 7 years ago, I used to play American football. Believe it or not, if you're a developer playing American football,
Wow, cool.
but just for one
So
season, and then I moved, and then I didn't start anymore. But yeah, it was fun. It's still my favorite sport. I'm not really sporty, but I like that sport.
did you break anything?
No, no, thanks. Thankfully not. I made one touchdown though,
Oh, nice.
almost by accident. Like yeah, by accident. but I made it. Still counts.
How do you make a touchdown by accident?
Oh, yes. They were passing into the end zone where another receiver was positioned. It reflected from the helmet from someone else, and I just caught it, and everyone was like, "Yay!" And I was like, "Oh yeah, I scored a touchdown!"
And you're just like, what?
Like, "Oh yeah, totally on purpose."
That's awesome. I think my most vivid memory of American football was we were playing flag football, which is like the kids' version where you just have to pull the flag,
Yeah.
no tackling. But somebody was about to make a touchdown, and they did tackle this person, and they landed weird. So they broke their arm, like the bone came forward, and then we were all like, "Oh, never again! No, no more football."
Yeah, well, in training they said, yeah, if you tackle correctly, you're not going to get hurt. But that's like the theory. But yeah, I don't know how. At that time, I didn't have health insurance. I don't know what went through my mind when I said, "Oh yeah, this is a good idea."
That's great.
So I will see you next week on Whiskey Wednesday. Since nobody is
Yes,
asking questions, I'm just going to plug it here.
do it, do it.
Yeah, Whiskey Wednesday is how does the intro go? Whiskey Wednesday is a YouTube show / podcast where we talk about web development and everything around it, and we happen to drink whiskey while doing so. Oh, and it says the intro is super. You have to watch it. Like, the whiskey is optional. The fun is not. Like I paid someone on Fiverr. Yeah, I paid someone on Fiverr to make like an epic intro, just for the fun of it. You will see next week. So I'm really happy that you agreed to that. We have a couple of more participants there. Yes, love your hat, by the way.
Oh, thanks. This is kind of my version of a dinosaur, this conference. So
Okay, looks like a bear.
yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's like a weird scarf, and it's got like paws. It's like pockets.
Wow.
It's very nice. Very nice.
Send me the link. I want one of those.
I have no idea where I got it. I think my mom lives in Canada, so that's probably how.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so no more questions.
No more questions. That's good. You did such a great job being very clear in your presentation. Your slides were really, really nice, clean, clear, to the point. Very well done.
Thanks so much. Okay, so I think we can close this up. I might hang out around in the speaker's room later today and maybe also tomorrow. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Goodbye.